Everyone, I'm Jerusha. You're watching Jerusha Couture TV. I'm here today, not with my collective Chanel unboxing right now, but with a haul that I had done the week prior anyway. So I want to share it with you super quick. But before I get started, I would like to thank today's video sponsor. And you know what? I've done a few of these video sponsor videos now, just in the intro. And this is going to have to be my #1 favourite to do. This is not only my BFF here on YouTube, but the amazing designer behind the jewellery and apparel and accessories line ELLANDEMM, Miss Gigi. Yes, I have been blogging for her for actually many years and talking about her brand through pure love of just loving it. I love her edge, I love her style. Everything about her brand incorporates her and her life, and she's just so stylish and down to earth, and I'm so lucky to call her a friend and had a beautiful time meeting her and staying with her when I was in California. But that's enough. She has sent me a package which I want to show you. The first item I am wearing in this video, but I will tell you, that little hooch, she sent me this one because she's like, baby bump, you know, you can have a smaller one, a tighter one once you've delivered. I'm like, thanks. I want to shout out to this OG piece of hers. This was the first piece I ever bought of ELLANDEMM, ever. And it gives me such beautiful memories because it was back when, you know, I was really starting to dedicate myself to YouTube, and it is just so beautiful and her stones are so beautiful. So I'm wearing that in honor, and obviously I'm wearing my J'adore. Sorry, my J'adore. Just to be clear, it's not J'adore. I want to show you in her boxes are beautifully packaged. She gives you her postcard and a delivery coupon code for you when you order. However, of course, like most sponsored videos, I try my hardest to get you guys a coupon, and my beautiful Jen has supplied me with a personal coupon for my viewers only, so I'm so stoked. It will be in the info box below, but I'm pretty sure it'll be something along the lines of Jerusha 15. She's going to give you guys 15% off at checkout. This, look at this, was a recommendation of her apparel that I was completely lusting over. And the first being this J'adore t-shirt in just a really nice, you know, a crisp white tee, really beautiful neckline, and then J'adore across the front. So nice. I would cuff the sleeves. Just saying. Next t-shirt that I had to grab was her famous Troop Beverly Hills. This is so famous. Honestly, if you check on Instagram, like under ELLANDEMM, like under her hashtag ELLANDEMM, she has so many big Instagrammers rocking this tee, guys. Like, it is really the zhuzh, and it is such good fabric. She does really beautiful fabric. This J'adore is a little bit heavier weight. This is more of like a softer cotton, more of like a vintage cotton tee. But look at that in the green. I didn't know if green was really my color, but she was like, girl, you need this. And then I really wanted to get my hands on these joggers. I really did. The second I saw her come out with these star khaki joggers, I just was like, life, I'm pregnant, I will just want to lounge around in them all day. How fantastic. They've got the beautiful white band down the side with the stars, and honestly, this quality, you guys, is just phenomenal. She's got the pull ties there, and it's a great jogger length. So that is it for the items from ELLANDEMM. I just want to say again how much I love my Gen G. I have been blogging, you know, and talking about ELLANDEMM from the very beginning, and she's just phenomenal and works so hard on her business. I was there in person. Listen, that girl works 10 times harder than I ever worked on my fashion label. Okay, moving on. Just stopped for a little bit of chocolate. Preggers. But that's good timing because, don't know if you can notice, but these are bald ass lips. These have not got anything on them because, dang, we got new Chanel Beauty. I picked up 2 items. One gets wrapped in the actual Chanel paper, and she did it with contrast. She was so gorgeous. She was actually a manager from the makeup department in the city, and she was so helpful. And then this one she put the little flat felt, like a little felty camellia flower sticker on it. It's very, very sweet. So let's go ahead and show you what is in this guy. So there's part of me that feels like it's kind of Rue Cambon packaging when you get makeup because it's white as opposed to black. But as always, it's beautiful Chanel, so it's Chanel tissue paper, and it's just so decadent and beautiful. I think this gift set, and I say gift set, you can customize the items in there. It doesn't have to be what they have like in the display cabinet, but I think it has to be 4, like a powder and 2 lipsticks and a gloss. I don't know. So it's a particular amount, so like 3 or 4, and it's like, I think it came in at 200 or 175 or something. So I did just pick up their classic Chanel mascara. She was talking to me about like this special plastic wand one that does really well. However, I really just wanted to try this one, and it's the Dimensions de Chanel mascara in the 10 Noir, which is obviously black. And yes, it just looks like the classic like lipstick holder, and it's actually just a bristle brush. It's not like the plastic kind of silicone brush that, you know, the thinner brushes, because I've gotten so used to Better Than Sex mascara. I wanted to get this, so that's that. I will link all these items below. However, it's definitely in a box once you purchase them all together. I do know it doesn't have to be what they have on display. 100% it doesn't. Because I walked in there for this. This is all I walked in for. One of these. Walked out with all of this. So that was great. It was modern. Okay, so shout out to Maria. Hi, babe. She picked this up. She went to Harrods or somewhere in London and picked this up. When it came out, it's the Rouge Allure Velvet Extreme. It's the new matte packaging. It's amazing. This is the color Modern 102. So let's go ahead and show you that. Look at that. Oh, that's so gorgeous because it doesn't blow out in my lights. You can see how beautiful and matte it is. So like all Chanel's, you just pop the top and pull it out of the cylinder, and boom, there we go. It's got the beautiful Chanel engraved around the lipstick bullet, and it is this beautiful, I would call this a lot pinkier, a pinky nude matte, and you can kind of see there, is that coming up? And then I decided I would definitely need to get this color, which is the 118 in the Rouge Allure Velvet Extreme. So again, in the beautiful packaging, it's this matte canister. I think it's so beautiful. And this one is more mauve. Can we see that? So this one, and there's the Chanel around the lipstick. This is definitely more mauvey. Let's hold them up. Yeah, so that's definitely the pinker. This one, that was the first one I put on. Oh, they're pretty close, or on camera they're close. You can see that the mauvey colour is obviously got, you know, more of a purple base to it rather than the pink. I'm feeling with these eyes, I've got a bit of plum in these eyes today. I think we're going to put this guy on. Alrighty, so what do we think? See, I wouldn't call that straight matte. I definitely think it's got a little bit of cream in it. Okay, and then the last item down inside this little box I chose was their new collection. This is the new collection, and this is their Illuminating Powder. So it's got a nice rose gold packaging on the box. So you get your little Chanel baggie, of course, and this is the packaging with a beautiful gold CC, or rose gold CC, sorry. Bring it up, you get your little Chanel, beautiful little Chanel brush. And, oh, is that gonna blow out? Yeah, hang on, let me try and get it. It's not that, like that's coming off quite peachy, but it's really not. It's a lot of a, it's a more darker shade than Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop from Becca Cosmetics. Let's do a nose dot, shall we? Oh, okay, I hope this is showing up. It's definitely showing up on my compact a lot. Pretty! Can we see? Did my Rudolph dot show up? But honestly, I know that was a really bad swatch and I'm really fair. But this is a really good illuminator. For them who, you know, they're not like beauty. So for something versus like Anastasia Beverly Hills that are like beauty, this is really good. It's really good. I forgot what this price was. I'm going to say 50. It will be, I'm going to link all of these below. But I really wanted to get the illuminator and it's new. So why not, right? I'm like a little leprechaun. I'm now covered in fairy dust. Okay then, so the last pickup from the counter was this. I was leaving and I saw this, which I had put in my cart on davidjones.com.au anyway, but I put it in a cart in a different color and she was like, no, you've got to get it in this black one. And I said, do you have any more? And she just said this was the last box. White Christmas ribbon, which is so pretty because it's all like fluffy on the edge. And then this beautiful Chanel, so this is the color of the special edition Chanel number 5 that they're really plugging at the moment. I personally don't like Chanel number 5. I find it way too strong, but their Christmassy one is meant to be a little bit more fruity, but I still find it really like woodsy and like sandalwood. So this pack was sitting on the counter there, but this pack, which is a gift set pack, and it's a particular, like it's set, you can't choose the items. You can choose the color of the CC serum, which I'll show you, however you can't choose anything else. It's all in usually a nude case, but this one came in a black case and she was like, definitely get the black case. Yes, so she said that the other set was more the Le Beige based items inside, and it was made from like almost like a faux suede material in the Le Beige color. And she's like, we're getting response that it gets really dirty. Get it in this black one, because this is actually a black neoprene case. And I was like, yeah, honey, how cute. So she was like, get this one, it'll, you know, wear better, da. So I was like, sold. Let's get it out and show it to you guys. The thing about neoprene is I always feel like I need to go for a surf or something, because it's like scuba, it's like windsurf, it's like scuba material or wetsuit material. It's got a really cool chunky black zipper along the top with the CC logo in nice metal hardware actually. And she was like, you can use this as a case down inside your bag, which it's so true. So this is actually called the sports set. So it's more of like, you know, a workout set based around the whole like scuba fabric. So what we have wrapped up here. Is in this set I grabbed a Healthy Glow lip balm in the Le Beige products. Oh, you gotta get out of here. I doubled up. Oh no. Oh, this is a waterproof version of the mascara. Okay, well I doubled up on the mascara. Rookie mistake. It's inside this pack as well. But there you go. So that's a waterproof one. Well, this is the Hydra Beauty Essence Mist. And if you've watched my channel for a while, you know how I feel about the Hydra Beauty line. It smells like peaches, gardenias, and roses. So this is the mist. This is just the face mist. Oh, oh my gosh. Is it a setting spray or face mist? It's energizing. Oh, honey. That's not energizing like to work out at the gym. That's to go shopping in the perfume aisles. And then lastly was the CC cream or the Sheer Healthy Glow in the Le Beige, and I chose the colour Deep because it is quite sheer. So there is the Le Beige packaging. Glow. Look at that, it almost looks like I've got a tan on that much of my arm. So that would be nice on the face, and it's, oh, it smells beautiful. And it's SPF 30, that's really nice to know. So that's what came down inside my little Chanel pouch that we love. Okay, last item of this haul. And this is actually a true unboxing. I left this to unbox with you guys. Even though I really needed it. I really, really needed it. I wanted to put it, I wanted to use it straight away. This is their holiday packaging, which is so, so cute. It's got the gold foil and the beautiful like flamingo pink and the gold foil, like the fire at the bottom. It's so pretty. And proof of purchase and return for Gucci is there. And this is our item. If you follow my Vlogtober, you may know what this is. And I grabbed from Gucci.com the Gucci Gigi. There's the two little control tabs and control cards care booklets for Gucci. I grabbed the Gucci Gigi phone case for the iPhone 8 Plus or iPhone 7 Plus. I have a 7 Plus. And here it is. Okay, got my phone, and I currently have my Fierce Mama case on it, and this is from milflife.com. I have worked with them in a video before as well, and I love this silicone case. But let's get a bit bougie. So this is it, and it's got Gucci made in Italy stamped down here with its serial code. This is a beautiful felt, like that felt fabric line. That's really actually so nice. Is my other one like that? I think maybe in black. So again, this is just a shell. So we'll slot that in. Perfect. It does have glazing around the sides. I am going to say it's not going to, you know, completely protect your case because it is just a shell case. It's not like my folio from Louis Vuitton. It's like the other black Marmont case I have, but it's gorgeous. Sorry about the reflection on my phone. So it's just a shell. You can see it's got the deep brown glazing. Then it's got like the fabric canvas Gigi, like what's on their bags. Not my handbag as such. It's like the more plastic version. So it's quite, I'm assuming it'll be quite durable, but so cute. Hello, Gucci speaking. Okay, perfect. That brings me to the end of my quick little haul. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Again, check out Jen's website below. That coupon code is solely for you guys. You know I love, love, love her. She is an amazing human being. If you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, there is a button below with a bell next to it. If you hit that bell, you will get notifications of all my new videos. I will see you in my next video, guys. Take care. Peace.